Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to use Microsoft Word for beginners. And first, what is Microsoft Word? So Microsoft Word is a processing software to use in personal and professional work. So it is one of the most used business software worldwide, and it helps to manage daily official works such as writing resume, letters, forms, applications, templates, business card, calendars, reports, ebooks, and so on. So here are the use of Microsoft Word. Uh, Microsoft Word is the best teaching tools for teachers. Also, you can create all types of official documents in Microsoft Word. Also, you can create a birthday card, invitation card, and so on. So you can create articles and email newsletters. So also you can start an offline and online business after learning Microsoft Word. Also, it is a skill you can put in your resume, and yeah, there's a lot of things you can use when you know how to use Microsoft Word. So let's get started with Microsoft Word, how it works, and everything. So first, I'm gonna start by opening Microsoft Word. I will double click on it. So because it is the first time, I'm gonna choose blank document, and this is it. So now that we are in, I will tell you almost everything. We're gonna start by here, file. Here on file, yeah, you will find info or everything you need to know about Microsoft Word. New, you find a lot of templates or blank documents, as you can see. So open, you open other uh, documents you did in Microsoft Word. Save, you do it to save your document. Save as, you do it when you're going to save for the first time. Print, you click here when you want to print your documents. Share when you want to share your documents via email, or when you want to post it to blog, or when you want to invite people. Yeah, export, when you want to um, export your document. You just click export, close, and you close Microsoft Word. So because it is the first time, I'm gonna click save as and search where I want to save my work. Then I'm gonna click here and I will save it in document. Then I will call it maybe Word 3, and yeah, I will save. So from here, I'm safe that everything I will do in my document will be saved. Yeah, and now that it's saved, first we're going. We are here on home now, so I'm going to show you pretty much everything you need to know here on home. So the first thing is use when you copied a text and you want to paste it somewhere else, you click for paste, you click Ctrl V, as you can see. And for example, I'm going to write something. I will change the size to 24. So I will select and change. Yeah, so from yeah. So from here, I write something, I don't know, but you select the word you write, and when you click here, tab or Control F, it removes the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. So when I click that, we just be removed here. And again, when I click Control V or paste that I've shown you before, we, the word will come back. So yeah, this is it. Next word, the first thing I'm going to show you is here font. So when you want to pick a new font for your text, you click Ctrl Shift F, or you just click here, choose the font that you want for your text, maybe this, and yeah, also from here you click, you change font size. But when you want to change the size of your text, you just click here, choose the size that you would want, maybe this, and just write anything you want. So maybe I write came here. So this is how you do it. For example, another example, I just change the font text. Maybe I will use this. And for size, I don't think I want to change anything, but if you want to change size, you just click here and change whatever size that you want. So I will continue use 24, and I'm going to write something in different font text. So I'm gonna click maybe follow me here on YouTube like this. So as you can see, the font changed, and this is how you do it. So the next thing I'm going to show you when you want to make the text bold, you just click here. So now anything I will write, my text will be in bold, or you can just click Ctrl B. Yeah. So maybe I'm going to write be with me, and as you can see, it is in bold, but I think you can see it. And so also when I want italic, so when I want to it, italicize your text, my text, I'll just click here on italic. So I will write something the way I see, yeah, like this. So it is in italic, and again I will remove it by on it again. But when I want to underline my text, I'll just click here, underline, and I will write something. Maybe let me be there for you. So as you can see, my text is underlined. So also you can click here and choose the type of line you would want for a text. Yeah. Also you can click here to choose the color of underline color, any color that you want. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will remove it by click on it again. And also when you want to cross something out by drawing a line through it, this is a strike through. For example, I'm gonna write a was a mistake. So you can see the line through my text. This is what this can do. Yeah, so I will remove it by clicking on it again. And from we're here. So when you want um, to type a very small letter just below the line of text. So for example, I want to write X and I'll click here for a small letter. Yeah, below my text. Another example, maybe I write I will remove it and write Y, and when I click here again, I'll just add any maybe number that I want, small number. So this is how you do it. And again, when I will remove it, so we're here. So when you want to type a very small letter, just above the line of text, you just click Control Shift plus, or you just click here. For example, I'll write if, and then if I click here, I will add a small letter above my text like this. So this you can find this in mathematics or yeah somewhere else. So another example, I will just remove it for now and write. So when I click here, I will add anything above that I want. So this is it. So I will remove it. Now we're here. So here, when you want to make your text a bit bigger, you just click here. For example, maybe this is the word. So when I click here, I will select first. So when I click here, I'll make my text big. So when also I click here, it make your text a bit smaller. So to make my text a bit smaller, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're here. So when you want text effects and typography, so this you add shadows, flow, text, as you can see. So you outline, you do the shadow, outer shadow, inner shadow, or perspective, reflection. You just add reflections, glow. You just there's a lot of things you can choose from. So yeah, for example, I will maybe choose I don't know, maybe this. So when I write something big, as you can see, bold, like this is how it is. So like this, you just change based on whatever you want. Yeah, and so I'm here. So here you change the you change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. So, for example, when, for example, this is my text. I will select this, and when I click here, then I want maybe uppercase or lowercase or centercase. Or you just choose whatever you want. As you can see, it is in uppercase. Yeah. So we're here. So when you want highlight, like when you want to make your text pop by highlighting it in a bright color, yes, so you click here. For example, I want to you will choose the color you want, maybe yellow, and I will write yeah, I will just write something like anything I want to highlight. So I will select first. Before adding any changes, you select first. After that, I'll just go here and click any color that I want to highlight my word in. For example, maybe this. So let me do it again. So I'll just select and go here and choose the color. Yeah, this is how you highlight your text. And then so we are here. Font color. So when you want to change color here. For example, I'll write something first, like this. So when I select the word, I'll just go here and change the color of my text, any color that I want. Do this. So again, I will, yeah. So maybe this time I'll choose this. So maybe this color. Just choose the color and write anything you want. So that's pretty much it. So so again, so we're here when I want to clear all formatting. So when you want to remove all formatting from the selection and leaving only the normal. So this is how you do it. You just, for example, I want to remove everything I did here on maybe this text. So I will just select it and then I'll come here, clear all formatting, and when I came here, as you can see, it creates all the formatting I did on this text. So that's, yeah, that's it. So we're here. So when you want to create related list, you just click here, choose any that you would want. Maybe I want to choose this. For example, yeah, like this, you can see the bulleted list. So when maybe I want to choose this, as you can see, here you choose any that you want. Yeah, and I'll just go here on no in white. I don't want white. Yeah, like this. So when I will also want maybe and write anything that I want. Yeah. So again, so when I want to choose numbering, when I want to create a numbered list, I'll just go here and choose maybe I will remove this first, and I'll go here and choose numbering, maybe this. I'll just click. Yeah, so this is how you do it. I will remove it. And then when you want a multi-level list, you just click here and choose whatever you want. Yeah, and yes. So another thing we are going to look at, for example, when you want to align your text with the left margin, you just click Ctrl L, or you just click whatever word, and so it is this text. It is aligned on the left. So when I want to align this text in the middle, I'll just click here and write something. So it is in the middle. So when I want to write, like to align my text with the right margin, I just click here, and yeah, whatever I will write will be on my right. So that's pretty much it. So I will go when I want to justify, or Control J, like when I want to distribute my text evenly between the margin, I'll just click here and write anything. So that's it. And also here, when you want to decrease, when you want to move your paragraph closer to the margin, you just click here. When you want to move it further away from the margin, you just click here. So when you want line and paragraph spacing, you just click here. So here, when you want, for example, I will just write words, few words. So I will select. I will select all this, and when I click here, it will be arranged from A to Z. So you just choose whatever, maybe ascending, you know, you just click OK, and is arranged, as you can see. So yes, and then here when you want to shade in your text, like when you want to change the color behind the selected text, paragraph or table cells, you just click here. For example, I'll just shade shade in or maybe green, for example, as you can see. So I will write something else and select. So when I go here to shade, I'll just shade in any color, maybe this. So also again, when I want to shade in this, I'll just select. I'll just select the word and go here and choose the color, maybe yellow, and that's how shade in your text. So yeah, do it again, and after that, yeah, that's how you do it. So we are here. So when you want borders, to add borders, you just click here and to suggest top borders, left borders, right borders, no borders, all borders, bottom borders. Yeah, they suggest a lot of things. You just have to choose from any of this and see what's the best for you. And yeah, so and then here when you want to show or hide paragraph, like show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols, you just click here. Yeah, so this is so I will remove this formatting and yeah. Yeah, so for example, this word, uh, when you I want to use normal text style, I'll just click here. When I want no spacing, heading, title, you can choose from this style. Here there's more, so you can choose more if you want. Code, yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. So when you want to find something within your text, you just click Ctrl F or click here. So when you want to replace something, when you want to search for text you would like to change and replace it with something else, you just click here and do it. So I think this is pretty much it about on home. So we go inside. We're going to inside tables, pictures, chat. You know, that's what we are going to do right now. And yeah, so when you want to insert the cover of your text, you just click here on cover. So they will suggest you a lot of covers. You're gonna choose any cover that you want, There's a lot. Um, you know, you will choose whatever you want. Maybe let me choose. Um, maybe this. So after choosing it, you're gonna just add your own words, the words you want on your cover, then edit a few things, and this is your cover. So that's how you choose cover. So yeah, so when you want a blank page, when you want to add a blank page anywhere in your document, so you just click here and it is added, as you can see. So also when you want a page break, when you want to end current page here and move to, for example, I want to move to another page from here. So just click page break, and yeah, I'm on another page, as you can see. So yeah, so we're here again. So I'm going to add tables. So when you want to add tables, you just select number of rows and columns that you want and click inside. Click OK, and they suggest a lot of table style to choose from. So if you want to change the table style, you go here and choose whatever you want. So here shading. So when you want to shade within your table, you just shade any color that you want. Like this is how you add the shade within your text. Like this. Also, I can choose, for example, I can also write something within my table, anything you want, like this. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So another example, I'll just do it again. I'll just click here, table. Uh, Also, you can come here inside table and choose number of columns, maybe 5, 4, number of rows, maybe 3, and click OK. And this is it. So if maybe I want to select this and shade in any color that I want, like this, you can do it. So yeah, that's when I want to write something, I can do it. Like, like this. So this is how you create tables, and yeah. So this is, and then we are going to learn how to add pictures, how to insert pictures from your computer or from other computers that are connected. So I'm gonna click here, add pictures. I'm gonna find any picture that I want to add, maybe this, and then we click insert. So this is it. So they will suggest a background to change background or color, any color that you want to change, maybe this. So I would picture style. They will suggest a lot of picture style that you're gonna choose any that you want. Maybe this. So here you can choose picture effect or picture border or layout. So picture effect, you can add preset. You can just or add shadow or reflection, grow, 3D. Uh, you know, perspective. I don't know. You just choose it however you want. Like this, and yeah. So that's how you add pictures. You go to insert and add, click here pictures. So when you want to add online pictures, you just click here, and so you will search anything online. Maybe I want to add what? Maybe I want to add a best view. So I will choose from this view that they gave me. Like they're so beautiful. I'll choose any that I like. There are many. So and click insert. So I'm gonna have to wait for a few minutes. So I think they're done. These are all the pictures. As you can see, oh my god, they're so beautiful. Here's another one, another one, another one. I added a lot. So that's pretty much it, how you add pictures online within your text. And now, so we are here again. We are on side. So I'm going. This is how you add shape. When you want to draw a shape, maybe circles, squares, arrows, you just go here and click on any shape that you want to draw and draw it on. Yeah, so let me insert another shape, maybe this. So let me insert the last one. Maybe this. Yeah. So okay, the last one. I will insert this. So yeah. So from here, I can just fill in the shape any color that I want. You fill it any color that you want. So yeah, here I can change from blue to purple. Yeah, so you can change shape effect by go here and choose whatever effect you want, as we've seen uh before, but I don't want to add any shapes. So when you want to write something within your text, you just write anything. You know, yeah, this is how you add shapes. Also, you can change what that by you can fill your text and like by doing all this formatting and yeah, so we're here and now when I want to add smart I'll just click here and they will suggest a lot of smart graphic. So to choose from, maybe I'll choose this. I'll just click OK and this is it. So when I want to fill in the text any color that I want, I will just fill it, change color. I will just have to fill it any color that I want. Yeah. So also when I want to write text, I'll just write anything. So you can change text style or you know, yeah, so this is it. I will add another smart tag graphics, maybe I will add maybe this. So I can come here, change color and choose whatever color that I want, like this. So I will add the last one. Uh, maybe I will add pyramid. Like I will add maybe this. So here, so I will click here to change color and this suggest different colors like this. And also you can add text if you want, any text that you want, and this is how to add graphics. So also you can add charts, For example, maybe I will add this and click OK. And this is it. Also, I will add another chat by clicking here on chat. I will just choose, maybe I'll add this, click OK. Also, I will add another chat by maybe clicking, maybe I'll add this, for example, this, and click OK, and it is added. You can change chat type, or you can edit data, you can select data, you can change colors, you can add chat elements, quick layouts, these are all the changes you can do. So I will add the last one, stock, for those who, or maybe I will add this. So this is it. So when you want to screenshot, you click here and screenshot whatever you want. So when you want to add online video, you just click here and search for the video you want to add in your document. When you want to add hyperlink, you just click here. So when you want to add comment, you just click here to add a note about this part of the document. So you click here. So when you want to add header or footer or page number, you just click here and add page number. So when you want to add text box within your text, just click here, choose from this what you want. Maybe you choose this, and you have to write something. So you can fill the box with any color that you want. Maybe this. Also, you can choose from this word art style. You can, do all these changes we've seen before, and yeah. So you can add the signature line by clicking here. You can add date and time by clicking here. You can also add objects by clicking here. I'll create many page. So also you can add equations by clicking here. So also you can select your equations and go here and fill in, maybe highlighting the equations like this. So we are here again. You can, let me add another equation like this. Also, they give you a lot of symbols you can use. Yeah, matrix. A lot of equations. Also, I'll select this and go here and highlight the equations. So that's how you do it. So we are here. Also, you can add symbols, any symbols that you want from here. Yeah, that's how you do it. And so we are here on design. So here on design, you can choose any design that you want for your text. So if, for example, I write this and select, I can choose from this basic, from this style and text style and choose whatever is best for me. So yeah, also I can change color, theme color, I can change fonts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, I can choose watermark if I want to add watermark on. I will just choose from this. Maybe I will write. I will choose this maybe. So as you can see, in every paper there's this watermark. So yeah. So also I can choose page color. If I want to change the color of my page, I'll just click here and choose whatever color I want for my page. But I don't want to change anything, so I'll not do anything. You can choose page borders, and yeah, that's pretty much it from design. So page layout. So is where you add margin or orientation. You can choose portrait or landscape. Landscape is like this, but I just like portrait. Yeah, and you can choose the size of your page by clicking here. We can just choose columns. We can choose breaks, line numbers, change almost anything you want for your page. So references, here you can add table of contents. If you want to add the table of contents, you can click here and add them. If you want to include the current heading in the table of content, if you want to update table, you click here. Yeah. So mailings, when you want to sending email, you will need an envelope. So you click here on envelope, label, maybe you will need CD, add mail merge. You just, click here and create one document and send it to multiple people. You just click here. Also, when you to choose the list of people you would like to send the document to, just click here and select. Yeah, so review. So on review, when you want to check your spelling and grammar. You just click here. So when you're not sure what a word means, if you want to find out, you just click here, define and or control F7. Here, when you want, when you are at a loss of words, they will suggest another way to say what you mean. So, or when you click Shift F7, yeah. So when words word count, so words, characters, lines, they count them for you, so you don't have to. You click here and they will count all your words within your documents. So translate text into different language. When you want to translate into another language, you just click here, translate. So when you want to choose, like when you want to change any language that you want, from maybe English to Korean or Spanish or French, you just click here. Or when you want to add new comments, click here. When you want to show to to see all the comments alongside the document, you click here. So yeah, when you want to compare your text to to compare two documents, to see the difference between them, you click here and compare them. So when you want to link document, you click here. So we are here, view. So here on view, you just we are going to see pretty much everything we did so far. So let's start. So this is the first page. This is what we did so far. We added pictures, shapes, you know. So that's it. So that's what we did so far. So when you check out how your document will look like when printed, you just click here. So web layout, we want to see how your document would look as a web page. So when you want to add ruler, you click here, or grind, you click here. But I don't want to add them, so I will remove them. So when you want to zoom, you click here. When you want to zoom the document so you can see the entire page in the window, you click here. Multiple pages, you click here. Page width, and when you want to spread, arrange all, new window, like that's pretty much it. And uh, two page is here, so one page is here. So that's what we did so far. And then yeah, so this is it. I guess yeah, so also I'm going to just show you the easy way you can use Microsoft Word. Maybe if you want cards, or you just go here, click new. Then there's a lot of templates to choose from, as I told you before. So if you want to add calendar on your document, you just click on these templates, then you click create. You just wait a little, and it's done. So you just have to change a few things, but the calendar is inserted. Another example, when you want to add, maybe, let me click here on letters. They'll suggest different things to choose from. Here, maybe they suggest like a lot of things. So uh, can go to business. They suggest a lot of template to choose from. I can choose maybe whatever you like, maybe this, and click create. Wait for a few minutes to be downloaded, and yeah, this is it. I'll just adjust a few changes, and yeah. So again, I'll just click on new. So I want to add um a card, or just click here. They give me different cards, so maybe I will choose this. So as you can see, it's added. I'll just have to change a few things based on how I want my card to look like, and that's it. So it is this way people use, and you don't have time to create your own things, or maybe I'll just choose this and click create. I'll just a few changes, and that's it. So I will add one. You click on new, then birthday. I will choose from this. Maybe I will choose this and create. So I will adjust a few changes, and that's it. So we are here again. So I've shown you guys how to use all those tools to add style on your text. When you want to find something within your text, when you want to replace something within your text, when you want to highlight, when you want to change the color of your text, when you want to remove all the formatting, here when you want to center your content on the page, when you want to align your content with the right margin. So from here, when you want to add bullets, also when you want to make a text bold, when you want to underline, you click here. When you want to pick a font for your text, you click here and suggest a lot of fonts. Yeah, and when you want to adjust the size of your text, you just click here or click Ctrl Shift P. So when you want to copy your text, Ctrl C. When you want to cut, Ctrl X. When you want to paste, Ctrl V. And from here on inside, when you want to add a cover page, you click here. When you want to add a blank page, you click here. So when you want a page break, you click here. When you want to add different tables within the text, you just click here. When you want to add pictures within your computer, you click here. So when you want to add pictures online, you click here and search for anything you want to add online. So about shapes, when you want to add shapes, you click here. When you want to add smart touch, click here. There's just a lot of when you want to add shapes, you click here. There's a lot of shapes that you can choose from, as you can see. There's a lot, so you choose any shape that you want. So when you want to add smart art, you click here. There's a lot of smart art that you can add within your text. There's a lot, cycle and cycle, relationship, matrix, like pyramid, picture. When you want to add pictures, like almost it's a lot. You choose any that you want. So when you want to add chat, click here. This you suggest a lot of chat. Choose from here, like these, like these. Also, when you choose this chat, you can choose also the colors. You will adjust like everything how you want your chat to look like. You know, you can choose from all of these any that you want, and yeah, adjust the changes however you want them to be. And yeah, that's uh it. And then when you want to screenshot, you just click here. When you want to add an online video within your text, you just find and insert any video that you want with by clicking here hyperlink. So when you want to add comment within your text, when you want to add header and footer, page number, you click here. When you want to add a text box within your document, you just click here and add any text in a box. So what that, click here and change it however you want. When you want to add a signature line, you just click here and add if you want. Also date, when you want to add date and time, just click here. When you want to add object, you click here. When you want to add equations, so when you want to add equations, mathematical equations, or what, you click here. When you want to add symbols, just click here. So we're here on this side. You can, you know, you can adjust your text however you want by choosing from this and choose whatever you want. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, you can effects, you can paragraph spacing, you know, you can also add watermark if you want to add it, like this one. You can also add page color. If you want to change the color of your page, you can just click here and add it. Page borders, you can click here. For here on page layout, I would change we want to add margin, orientation, you can choose from percent or landscape. size. You can choose the size of your text, columns, break, line numbers. You can, you know, adjust your page however you want. Also, when you want to add table of contents or add text or update your table, you click here. So, yeah, when you want um, mailings, how you will send your the documents, like using envelopes or labels or start mail merge, you know, or when you want to select the people you want to when you want to choose the list of people you would like to send your document to, you click here. So from here, review. So when you want to review almost everything, uh, almost like when you want to review spelling and grammar, click here. When you want, you're not sure what a word means, you want to find out, click here. So when you are at a loss of words and we suggest you another way to say what you mean. Also, when they will count the words for you here, so you don't have to write and count the words you write. So here, translate, do you translate in any language that you want. Here, you can choose any language that you want: French, English, Japanese, Chinese. Like, there's a lot of language to choose. If you want to change the language, new comments to add a note about this part of the document. When you want to add a note about the document you wrote, you go here, and when you want to see all the comments alongside the documents, go here. When you want to compare your document, two documents, you click here. To when you want to link notes. So here is when you want to view uh, from here. Um, when you want to pick up the document, how it will look like when printed, web layer. When you want to see how the document would look as a web page, graph. When you want to add ruler or blend lines, when you want to zoom, one page, multiple page width, just click here. And lastly, we are going to view almost everything we did, and it will be it for today. So we will start. So this is how. So I will choose what. This is how my document look like. So this is it. This is almost everything I've shown you, and we added shapes here, charts, equations, you know, uh, pictures. There's a lot of pictures online, or you can add pictures within your computer. Yeah, so the more you practice Microsoft Word, the easier it will be for you because it's all because practice makes perfect. So I guess this is almost everything. So well, I thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the end. So if you are new, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys next time.